Yeah. Hey. Yeah. EST. OCOEE. I just might pull up, take over the land. This beat is gone. Alakazam. No, don't do the magic. Watch it go poof when I put a parliament GOD hand.
Good morning, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, my music's just blasting. Sorry. I'm actually trolling. Sorry, guys. Bada bum bum bum. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Oh my chat. At 5,000, there's a big negative and positive gamma bar. What does that indicate? That indicates a split. Is there split divergence? Huh. It's overall negative now. Interesting. That used to be very positive. Remember yesterday? Good morning. Enjoyed the stream last night. Yeah, no problem. Good, thanks. I tried using 20 off discount, but it didn't work. What's this new discount? It's the same. It's literally 20% off, but it's the nuts one. Let me check for you. Coupons. Nuts. Here you go. Use this one. Look at footprint. Big positive. I personally... Let's see. Oh, big change in the data. This is taking into account today. This seems more like OPEX numbers, but at the same time, this kind of makes sense right here, 505. 50-50. Hold on. I'm gonna move this to the other side just in case if I get it. Click yes button to keep streaming. Okay. Make sure we click the right one. I'm making sure it doesn't put in all my information for you guys to see. Yeah, okay. Good thing I took it off to the side. Okay. So when you're at this page, right? Have a coupon. This is where you enter the coupon. There you go. That is the coupon. Anyways, back to the main page. Did you say divergence is positive? No. That's the part where it's kind of weird, because yesterday when we looked at it, it was positive. It was very positive. Now it's negative. And we are in a slightly negative environment, which I really dislike. Yeah, it's just switching. So once again, what do we do when it switches? We just wait until it picks one, right? Negative means more accelerated moves, which I'm hoping that we get back into a positive environment. 10 a.m. news release, so we have more news. We had PPI this morning. Obviously, that's where we got the slight pullback from, right? We were slightly green on the day. Interesting. Or in the pre-market and after hour session. NASDAQ is still actually green. It's quite impressive that NASDAQ is green. Okay, if this data stays, I think we have a good chance of tapping 50 or 5,000 and then going back up. But if this one stays, we could blow right through 5,000. Vivana and Charm positive wall at 5,000. Let me check. Sorry, let me take a look at the delta of that positive Vivana. SPX. Contracts are expensive because it's OPEX, but delta is 0.22. So we need to go slightly higher for it. So 5,000, mark it on our charts. We could label this as neg X. Also, well, it depends. We'll wait, but it is pause Vana. Exposure. Current delta is 0.22. So we'll keep our eye on this. If hold on, let me get my own cheat sheet out, right? So IV plus positive Vivana below spot, IV increases a magnet equals sell, IV down equals 5. Right, so watch out for that crucial 5,000 level. And then from there, I have 2 subscribers. Oh shit, I canceled my currency rumors. Oh. Guys, any new coupon is always going to be for new, what do you call it? You cannot apply a coupon in any subscription in general. Let's say like Netflix has a sale or something. You can't apply that to your current subscription. You'd have to cancel, like as you just did, cancel and create a new one, right? But even canceling it doesn't mean anything. You kind of just double paid, depending on, I guess, the end of the month or the end of your subscription per se. That makes sense. Anyways. President's holiday on Monday, so no trading on Monday. So my thoughts here are, okay, I think we have a move in the AM, and then PM, you just fuck off. That's my take. The net gamble won't be as important today because it usually flips like crazy on OPEX days, right? Yes. I can refund you later. Tag me in the Discord, and then yeah, tag me in Discord, and then I'll message you for your email and whatnot. I'll send you a refund for that one. Bro, I can't believe I was blasting my music at the beginning, and it was like, why is it so loud? Because when I opened up my stream, I was like, why am I hearing an echo of my own music again? Felt like an idiot. Dude, minus 30, minus 13. Nah, someone's not complaining about money. I think he just wanted to take advantage of the coupon, and then he ended up double charging because he stopped one of his current subscription, but that doesn't, like any subscription, if you cancel it, it doesn't just end right there, and then you get the difference back. But yeah. Hey, 20 bucks is 20 bucks, man. NQ back red. So NQ swept that low in the morning. ES didn't. This one is from 540, 549, 549. How's Vana determined again? Vana is determined based upon if this delta hits 0.2, so I think we'd have to go a little bit higher. Then we can flip to VIX. Yeah, GEX keeps changing. Guys, remember what I've said, right? Just wait until GEX stops flipping to make a decision. I don't care what happens, because at the end of the day, the data is going to tell me more later on. I rather just... When does Nuts coupon code expire? I don't know. Usually if it... I don't know yet. We haven't put an expiration on it, so if you want 20% off, you can have 20% off. I guess that 20 off coupon expired, but Nuts isn't expired as of right now. So for Vana, back to Vana, sorry. We want to see... my assumption is here it was at negative 0.22, so even when we were like right around here, so now that delta is increasing, so it's probably sitting around 0.25 or 0.28 now. Yeah, 0.26. So we have to go a little bit higher. So when we get a little bit higher, what we can do is now we can go to VIX and be like, okay, can VIX either bounce or is it going to drop here? Then we can make a determinant. Then we can make a what's it called, informed decision on whether or not vol is going to increase or decrease. Plus, I mean, you can ask everyone who's used the data, we've had like a consistent 80 plus people on stream. They love the data, right? Well, at least I'd like to say that they can vouch for that. Like, you know, hearing it from one of the founders is different than hearing it from the customers and subs. The data changes the way you view the market. I think bro, there's so much good music that came out yesterday. Oh. Also to note. Bounced there already, right? Same thing with NQ. About to bounce there. What are we watching, guys? Remember, just overall market structure. Higher low, get a higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, right? Higher high, higher low. From there, obviously in an uptrend on bigger time frames. So if we get a bounce here, you can expect higher. So this is something I am keeping my eyes on. Line in the sand today, depends when the data stops slipping, right? If line in the sand is based upon this one, we're below it at 50.25. 5,000 is uber negative though. Let's see. Thank you for the compliments. I was a huge skeptic, but now I won't trade without it. What does it mean that 5,000 level is negative? It just means that if we get to 5,000, it can be a potential accelerant down, right? Keep in mind what happens in negative environments. You can get big aggressive moves, but on top of that, you also get pretty strong recoveries. So those are the times in which you can see a potential V-shape. Ricky question, what causes neg? That's just the way I want to say it has to do with their deltas causing negative gamma. Because what gamma exposure is, for those who don't know, gamma exposure is the sensitivity of the options delta with respect to the changes in the underlying stock. So I want to say it's, oh, that's a good question. I never thought about like the deep, like going even deeper to it. Like, okay, right, where it's like if their deltas are negative, they can either be short calls or short stock, right? Because that's what cause or long puts, because then those three cause negative delta. We have 98 people here today, and I got to take a shit, so I don't want to leave. Guys, help me out here. Yeah, that's a deeper question. But yeah, keep in mind like negative delta, right? What carries negative delta? Long puts, short calls, and short stock. Those carry negative delta. Stream while shitting? Nah, you're wild for that one. Get a bucket, send SPX to 5K ready. 100 plus people, but guys, thank you for tuning in. Oh man, I couldn't get the screenshot for myself. Damn it. Two people who left just ruined my screenshot. Anyways, yeah, we're here. Let's see, what is NQ looking like it's doing? NQ is near the bottom of its retrace. Let's see what happens here. I don't want to take a stab at shorts yet, or I mean longs from here, just because the overall sentiment here with negative at 5,000 and SPX isn't there yet, so I do think it can go a little bit lower. So I think it's just one of those days you got to wait it out. Yeah, see, good thing we didn't take longs there. $99. Wild. Be patient here, guys. I think we do tap 5,000 first, but keep in mind we can't accelerate right through that. Huge long put on DDOI. Yeah, see, if VIX is dropping on this move down, let's see. The SMCI guys got smoked. Oof. For SMCI traders. Nvidia green. Fuck. This stock is truly like invincible right now. It's disgusting. The stock trolled all day yesterday. And 99 problems and they're all viewers. Yeah, 5,000's coming. Damn, that would have been 30 points short to 5,000. My bad, guys. Usually I don't like playing until we get to a Gex level, but that's just to be smarter, be more patient. ES just flushed that. Alright, this one's invalidated. NQ flushed it, ES flushed it. So we have this previous low that NQ just flushed. Fuck, sorry. I might have just blown someone's ears out. Yeah, that SPY put suggestion, right? I was like, grab some SPY puts for next week. Said that yesterday. Would have been a bad idea. Yeah, NQ just snapped yesterday's lows. Holy ES dump. Hold on. How funny. How crazy though, right? I just want to point this out because like shout out the haters. Price magnet 5005. 30 points from 5,000 or 25 points. That's pretty nutty. Anyone who says our Apex AI doesn't work still doesn't know how to use it. Right? This was there all morning because what, 5,000 was AOI? Yeah, that drop could have definitely made good money. I mean, I bet you those 5,000 puts just went nuts. They went from, at open, they were 4. They hit a high of 11. So almost 200%. This might be just one of those days where I sit it out myself personally. Like I said, I got a good Saturday coming up. I don't want to ruin it by getting fucking shit on a Friday. Plus, we have Monday off, so. Line in the sand here was also on this chart was 505. This makes more sense for OPEX data just because OPEX data usually is fucking ginormous numbers. So that's why I do think that this number or this chart will end up staying, which I really hope it's not the case because there's not much info on here to look at. Guys, we've talked about it multiple times, right? It's just waiting for the dust to settle in order to get a more clear picture. Let everyone do their fuckery. If you don't take a trade today, honestly, still would also be really good. Could this be the fucking dump where we close minus 60 points? Potentially. But guess what? I could care less, personally. We don't catch it, we don't catch it, right? It is what it is. OPEC showed 5,000, so, and it didn't change. 5,000, 50-50 was there, yes, last night, right? In the class last night, we saw 50-50, right? And as of today, that changed, right? This was also a positive bar. And then from at the open, this was negative. So things changed, right? I'm not going to sit here and tell you that it didn't. Long 5,000? No, I would not long 5,000 for one specific reason. It is a negative level, meaning we could accelerate right through. You could risk it in long 5,000, but me personally, no, I'm not taking that trade. That's not a trade that I like to take. Especially longing negative exposure when you could potentially blow right through it. No, thank you. Not for me. I could sit here all stream and not take a trade, and I'd be okay for today. VIX increasing, Vana causing acceleration. Potentially. Do not long 5,000 here. I'm telling you right now, do not long 5,000. In my opinion, that is not good risk. Like longing here with negative exposure, I'd rather sit out. Even if it bounces, for me that's not a good setup. If it was positive exposure, I'd say long 5,000 all day long. But I would not long 5,000 here. I'm pretty sure we could accelerate right through and just you'd lose. Personally, just once again, right? If this was a positive bar, I would be all for longing 5,000. But not my setup. We hold this line in the sand, that wouldn't be bad. But be patient, guys. Once again, if there's no trade today, there's no trade, right? Let's just enjoy 4-day weekend. Yeah, the neg X is wild. It's fucking minus 84 on net. No thank you. OPEX is just one of those days, guys. I think everyone expected us to go long, like in the morning. But at least we didn't get bagged there. I think we draw to 5,000 all day long. That's my take. Okay, NQ swept lows, ES swept lows. Yeah. Okay, ES is getting a bounce here. Hold on. Let's see what happens. Yeah, pretty much. Our close above here wouldn't be bad long. Hollywood Tales in the phone. SMCI reversing. Oh, bro, this thing dumped so hard. Literally, when we looked at it, it was at like 980. Literally dropped, or 970. Have a place to fish. Someone had a crazy SMCI trade on the profits channel. Holy balls. That's fucking wild, dog. 24,000 off of SMCI shorts with 3 contracts. That's fucking disgusting. It just chops here, right? I'm gonna fuck off early. It's Friday, guys. For long weekend. May as well take advantage of that. Next week's a short week. And we have 2 things on Friday. Or next week, not Friday. Alright, guys. Kind of just waiting. Oh, hold on. Save image as. Screenshot. Save. Thank you. Save for myself. That movie. Crystal ball on the wall. Out of curiosity, what does next week's look like? Rockstar. Hmm. 5,000 on next week's split as well. OPEX. So to understand it better, big positive gamma wall chances will be strong support, but big negative wall chances it'll blow through. Yeah, you have good chance of it being an accelerant more so than support or resistance. 5,010. I can't even see that from here. My shit is unbelievably laggy right now. There we go. Okay. line in the sand is at 5,010 right here. This is still at 3 at 50-50, but this negative is just so ginormous. It's just making me not like to trade today. Because I think any move that happens, even if it's to the upside, I think we'll get a draw to 5,000 again. So personally, that's why I don't like trading this. Might just draw back to 5,000 here. Let's see. Things better. See what I mean? 0.5 is always respected, right? From Tuesday's class. Hold on, let's see. 50-10 would be considered extra average. 12.5 slide flip point unless negative. Yes, correct. Since 5,000 on raw is pretty much the only large exposure bar, normally we would magnetize towards that level. And since it's large negative bar, it could be an accelerating level, correct? Sorry, I was reading something. Just sitting and waiting, guys. There's not much to do today. Like I said, if I don't take a trade at all, I wouldn't care. Today's just one of those days. Tag me in something. Let's see. Why do I have to relog? Wow. Okay. Okay, there we go. Do you think we drop more? One more drop to 5,000? I don't doubt it. Once again, right? This is just my take on the data. I think 5,000 is going to be an absolute fucking monster today, in the sense of like we're probably going to close around 5,000. Just need a little more therapy. See what happens here. Couldn't find the TradingView volume profile. You see what's it called? If you're in the Discord main chat, just look up "Okay guys," and there will be a link there for TradingView. Man. It's on avalanche. Being patient, guys. No trade, no trade. You're like a new man. Just taking, it shouldn't. It should take like a couple of minutes, I'd assume. If you, after you sub, you'll get that message where it's like, to connect your Discord, and then you should get access to it, right? Like, relatively shortly. You know, I thought that this shirt would be better, but it's also just causing me to lean back more. Maybe that is better. Let's see. I mean, we got cookies. I hate how I can't play music for everybody. So I'm absolutely vibing immaculately right now. This is such a snore fest of OPEX data, bruh. Wish it was better. We got cookie. This is just a slow move up. I say slow, but it bounced 13 points low key. How much are they down today? NQ's already down 150 points. How's NQ looking? Me. Look, so boring. I really gotta take a shit, but I don't want to fucking leave and then come back and be fucking at 50 viewers as always. That every time I go take a shit, that fucking happens without fail. They're like, oh, show up. Guy's not even here. Won't you get it over? Don't break my heart. What's SPY sitting at? 499, 500. Take a screenshot of me. Watching, is it OPEC's effect that makes gamma on a speed delta line up perfectly 5,000? I don't want to say it's just because of OPEC's. I think it's just in general, like a big psychological level at 5,000, right? So dealers are all positioned for that. All right, may just have to end it here. There's not much going on. So 5,000, obviously, sort of like the draw for today. With that being said, I'm just going to close it out here, call it an early weekend, and then go from there, everyone. So with that being said, everyone have a great rest of your weekend. Next week, classes start with Fatty, Liquidos, and Jay Crispin on Tuesday and Thursday. And I will be live streaming Tuesday morning since we don't have a, a trading day on Monday. So thank you for tuning into Friday, but once again, just deciding to call it early and walk away so we don't have to deal with all this nonsense intraday. And as always, keep moving.